Hello and welcome back to my channel, Glamour Girl 98 here, where we discuss all things beauty, fashion, and of course, look at these locks, sister locks. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a Brandon Blackwood purse I purchased from Saks Fifth Avenue a couple weeks ago, and I got my delivery, and I'm just going to show it to you guys here. So a little backstory. I have been obsessed with everything that is Sherpa for about the past year and a half, right? It started out with these it started out with this Calvin Klein purse I found at Macy's. It was spring of last year, so it was around April of last year. And this is it. Just a cute little Sherpa bag. It has the Calvin Klein logo and fob there. It's a crossbody and it has a long strap to it, right? So that was that. And then I was on the search to find a pair of shoes to match it. So it was going towards spring, summertime. So I went online, I searched high, I searched low, and I finally found this pair of flip-flops by Vionic. And if you don't know about Vionic, Vionic is I guess it's like a dietary kind of like ergonomic fit flip-flops and shoes. They're supposed to be really comfortable. You pay a little bit more for them, for the shoes, the heels, and everything. And so I found those and I purchased them off Amazon, and I got them for a steal. They were regularly priced about, I want to say about $120, $130, but I got them on Amazon. I found them, you guys, for like 20 bucks. So here are the flip-flops that I purchased. They are Sherpa. And if you don't know about Vionic, they have the way that it's made to support your arch and kind of like make you walk right. They're uncomfortable in the beginning, but as you use them and wear them more, they become more comfortable. And I'm sorry, at the age of big old 48, I prioritize comfort, okay? I turned 48 in October of last year, so just maybe like 4 or 5 months ago. So I prioritize comfort, but I want to be cute too. So I have the Vionics, and I have a couple pair of naturalizer heels that I really like as well. So anyway, that started me on my hunt for the whole Sherpa type thing. So I was online a couple weeks ago, and I saw I was looking for, actually, let me back this up. I was looking for a Brandon Blackwood purse. So Brandon Blackwood, if you don't know, he is a black purse designer or fashion designer because he has more than purses. He has coats, he has shoes, he has hats. So he's a black fashion designer. It kind of like popped up and went like viral. I want to say since like 2019, 2020. He has a really good backstory on YouTube. I believe CBS in the Morning interviewed him. I will include the link in the description bar. But anyways, I wanted one of his purses, but all the purses I ever saw of his, like on YouTube, like the little mini trunk, they're like little. They're like this size. And so I'd go for those purses, but like if I'm paying, for a designer purse, I want a little bit bigger. And so I was online looking, and I saw they had this purse called the KiaNia. And so when I looked at it on people on YouTube and on Instagram, I saw that it was a little bit bigger. So I went to his website, and I was looking for, in particular, the Sherpa material purse. So it wasn't on there. So then I went online and I finally found it at Saks. So here we are. I'm going to show you. Got some Saks. comes in this really nice box there. And look, it's like in a little pouch, the bag that purses come in. Really boxed really nicely. And it comes with a card. And it just says, "Thank you for your purchase, BB, Brandon Blackwood." So here is the purse. And it's nice size. It's a nice size clutch. So it has a leather handle. I don't have anything to cut it off, but really nice material leather handle. And here's the Sherpa. And it has a tassel on the side. And it has the B, its insignia, and its magnetic closure. And inside it has a longer strap. It has a pocket on the inside there. It's cute. And it's nice and it's deep enough I could fit my phone, lipstick, and some other objects in it. So, but yeah, that's what I purchased, the Brandon Blackwood purse. And so let me tell you, so that's not the end of my Sherpa obsession. So I ended up, this was right before, it was for Christmas, going online, and I wanted some Sherpa boots because if I had the Sherpa purse, I needed some boots because it is fall, winter time. But where I currently reside, out here in the west and southwest, it is still, it gets to like 50 degrees. It's been 50s, 60s. So I wanted some boots, y'all. So I went online, and why did Fashion Nova have these boots? OMG, these boots are the business, right? Got the nice chunky heel, cowboy inspired with the Western logo there. And they are so cute. And when I've worn these boots like 3 or 4 times, and whenever I wear them, I'm getting compliments left and right. So actually, like, don't y'all think that'll be cute? So I have been wearing it with this purse here, but now that I have the Brandon Blackwood, I'll be like wearing them with this. And so these boots are so cute. I love them. And if they still have them, I'll link them. As I was saying, if they have the boots still in stock from Fashion Nova, I will link them down below. Let me see what else. Just a quick update, my sister locks. No, you know what? I'm going to include that in another video. So if you want to hear the update on my sister locks and some other stuff I've been getting into, then like the video, comment, and subscribe. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.